Howdy, partners, and welcome to Jim's Kitchen. Well, today I'm gonna be cooking from this Cowboy Cookbook, home cooking on the range. I'll be cooking up a couple victuals that I can't wait to try. This book features over 300 recipes from some of the greatest cowboys on stage, screen, and real life. Lots of pictures, lots of stories, lots of fun. The first dish I'm gonna be making is Bandit beer buns. This recipe only involves 3 ingredients. Grab a bowl. We need 2 cups of Bisquick, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and half a cup of beer. Stir that together. Put some dollops on a prepared baking sheet. We're gonna bake it at 400 for about 15 to 18 minutes. Bandit beer buns with some butter. I love the beer in there. The next recipe is for the Bar H Bar hot chicken salad. It comes from the Bar H Bar Ranch in Idaho. We need a bowl. We need 2.5 cups of shredded chicken, 4 hard-boiled eggs, any condensed cream soup, 1.5 cups of mayonnaise, 1.25 cup of celery, 4 tablespoons of green onions, cup of bell pepper, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. Let's mix that well. Pour that into a prepared baking dish. This is gonna get baked at 350 for about 30 minutes. Hot chicken salad. Yeah! This would make any cowboy get up and dance. Ha-ha! Why don't the cowboys shoo the flies buzzing around them? Because it's easier for them to go barefoot. Sheriff, get me out of here!